In the last 2 minutes, you've called me more intelligent than you and famous. What's going on, though? What you trying to get into? Oh, fuck. I don't cut that. Damn it.
Yo!
Nah, fuck. Fuck it. Fuck.
Yo!
My bad. I like the long still. I'm telling you, SPX is just fucking ripping that orb ski.
Oh, Roberto!
Take your time with
That's a
me.
nice shirt, my boy.
Big Daddy Q Banks in the motherfucking building. What's going on? Up fucking $2,900 right now. I guarantee you motherfucking that.
Personally, it's like my toughest year so far because that's only like my second $100,000 day all year. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, man, I have to test the big man gangster now because yo, Q been dinner OG.
Production, let's cut some subtitles on this. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy Big Daddy Max with the one and only Mr. Llama Llama Red Pajama, Mr. Sober Play to himself. It's Thursday, June 12th at 9:32 in the morning. I'm currently in a trade. I'm up over $1,000 fucking dollars already. It's 2 minutes into the market. I'm up over $1,000 fucking dollars. NQ holding strong. SPX absolutely dumping. Absolutely.
I don't know. I like that area for a tanker.
Yeah, it's breaking back into the range, so I'll probably get ready to stop out the rest of my con. Nice $1,000 holla to start the day.
Let me get that boom boom boom.
What y'all know
That
about?
boom, boom,
What you know
boom.
about making one rack before the intro? I like this retracement. I want to see it retrace all the way back to 6,010 on SPX. I want to see 6,010. If 6,010 don't hit, I'm looking for 6,002 to be the bounce point.
Shit is picking up right now.
Yeah, I might scale back into this contract that I took off already. I might scale back into that, John.
So?
Yeah, I think SPX is about to rip to 6,010. So I'm probably gonna.
Where does this want to go though? I like this area to tank. I'm not gonna lie to you, Twinifer.
It's all right.
Dues, though.
I mean, it could tank. It could tank. Absolutely, baby.
Already dues though.
Absolutely, baby. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. You remember that song? Hey, you remember that?
Nah,
I'm holding this long.
Shaking that ass, baby.
I'm
Never
still
heard that one.
holding that long until the bell goes off. There's the pop. There's the pop. Give me the 6,010 and I will trim one more. I'm going to put a stop loss of one more contract right below this candle here. It just got taken out. I got one contract left.
He just wanted to tank from me.
I like the little pullback, to be honest.
Like, I'm getting body closure 786. Like, bro.
It's just choppy, but it's at the top
What's
of the
the
free
risk
market
to
range.
reward?
Holding that thing. Oh, I got to sell some options. BRB.
See the Boeing crash. What Boeing crash?
Yeah, some Indian Boeing crash. Whole
Like,
fucking
I thought you were talking about the chart, like the stock.
yeah,
That shit
the
actually crashed?
plane in India fucking crashed with 240 people on it right after takeoff. Killed them all, bro. So bad. So fucking bad.
No.
Yeah, they got video of that shit just fucking hit the ground and exploded.
What's your story? Bro, I didn't even post on Instagram today. I completely forgot.
So sad. So sad. It's so sad. It's so sad.
Fuck,
It's
bro, I
so
didn't even post
fucking
today.
sad, baby. Crazy, bro. Yeah, that shit gives me anxiety too. Like, I got a kid now. Like, I can't be flying to no John that's gonna fucking pop.
Bro, before I went to Europe, there was like 15 plane crashes in like fucking 3 days.
Yeah, I don't like that
Bro,
shit.
I couldn't lock in. I got on the fucking pre-market shit at fucking like 8:45 today.
I don't fuck with that
Forgot.
shit. I'm gonna sell some options, player. Q.
I'm not gonna be reading chat. By the way, I did jump in though. I don't give a fuck.
Sell
But I
put.
need to post on it on Instagram. I jumped in at this 786. I'm filled in at 56. Literally a perfect. I told y'all body closure. Once we came back up and wick to it, I needed that.
Yeah,
Needed
little
that extra. I'm
treesy
up
down right
500 by the
there.
way.
Little treesy down right there. It's nice.
Yeah, so I was up 100 ticks. I'm currently up 6.
If it breaks back above this range, I'll probably scale into
I
one.
needed to print through this FEG. If this FEG gets printed through, it's going to fucking pound town. If it doesn't though, then I think I'm cooked. I might just go break. I need to post on Instagram. That's more important.
Oh no. Llama in the short and Big Daddy Max in the wrong. Oh no. Big Daddy Max in the wrong and Rama in the short. Who gonna win? I don't know. Who gonna win? Hi, Rama. What's going on, everybody? I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor and our partner over at Trade FFF, Funded Futures Family, baby. One of the best props in the game. They got the best deals always with code BDM, like 1 day to pass. Make sure you check them out. Trade FFF. Having knee surgery right now. Damn, that sucks, dog.
Bro, I have too many videos to pick from, bro. I don't know what to post, bro. Fuck.
I just fucking pick any video. And usually it's what's at the bottom. I don't really even, when I do my reacts, throw something up there. It is what it is.
Bro, I just close out half here. I'm up $500.
Oh, nice. There's the dump. Nice.
Ticks.
Yeah, you're rolling right now, boy.
What am I in sell? So I'd have to click buy. I think I might just pay myself half here.
Watching
drop
the
my
downtrend.
entry. Of course, it's gonna drop my. I'm gonna go break even here, and that's it. My trade is done. All right, who cares?
Future strat number 2. Future strat number 2 in play all day. We pay shunt. Oh, I like that pop. Hold on, let's see.
Max doesn't share his screen, buddy. He's like, can anyone see Max's screen? No, Max doesn't share his screen, Jimmy. I'm break even, by the way. I didn't like that it didn't print through. My break even's at 53. It's gonna stop me out here, and we're up 270 for the day.
Oh, there we go. There's the bell. There's the bell. Hold on, I'm gonna trim one more con. I'm up 700. I trimmed one there. I'm up 700. 1 sec. I'll be right back. I'm up 700. I'm up trimming one con.
Yeah, me and Max were fading today. I looked for sells. He took buys. My sells played out for 100 ticks, and his buys are so far playing out too. I think that was my sell. Pretty solid. Here you go. Full transparency for you guys. Full transparency. Move it over. There you go. Double tap the entry. I was in with 10. Partialed out at the bottom. Win break even. Took me out. Very simple. Make sure to pay yourself.
My fucking dog just went nuts. I'm up 600 per mini right now. I'm just gonna hold this long. I'm moving my stop loss up to I'm gonna let it breathe a little bit. Hey, shout out to my coach. I did a coaching session. Remember what I showed you the other day? I letting it breathe a little bit, let the play come out, baby. Do all that. That's what I'm doing right now. So I got my stop here at like 49.50. We're chilling on the stop. I'm in the long. Future strat 2. Who saw that future strat 2? Shout out, what up, Ball Dan? Who took that long with future strat 2? Where are my students at? We're up 620 per con right now. I'm gonna put that stop loss at 55, and we're up 1100 on the day. Fucking cooking right now. That future strat 2. That long was money. Big Daddy is money. Guys, don't forget today, big shout out to Funded Future Family. Crash the fucking website because we're buying so much product. I'm gonna let this run. To be honest, I think we're gonna have a runner. We're gonna have a track star. We're breaking into once we break over 1415, that's the previous day orb, we're gonna reach for that ultimate high of 622 on fucking SPX is huge, and I think we can get there today. I'm not gonna lie, I think we can go green and get there. I'm up over 700 per mini, moving my stop loss up to 62.75. And that locks in $400 no matter what. It actually just tapped. I am completely out right there. I am completely out right there. And that's what it looked like. Right there, guys. You see that? That's what it looked like. Over 1,000 in profit. Just nice and easy on the Funded Future Family accounts. So no big deal. I just texted the boys over at FFF. I was like, hey, fellas, just want to let you know, I think your fucking website is crashed.
What is it?
We'll wait and see. Got a great deal going on, and ain't nobody getting it. FFF support says clear your cache, and you can get it going.
Clear your cache?
Clear your cache. You know what a cache is?
Looking for.
Now, where's Owen's dumbass? Where's my range breaker? Be fucking with my range breaker, Owen. You know I like the range breaker. Here's a continuation up. I like the continuation up. Very nice staircase up here. I like it. A little continuation. SPX is ripping towards that 22 final PT. And like I said, I think NQ has the opportunity to go green on the day. There's some wicks here, NQ in a range, SPX breaking out of a range. Real strong shit. Real strong shit. Like,
I thought I captioned this shit.
I think I might enter the long again, to be honest.
Tell you one thing, not a fan of this PA. I will not be taking any more trades.
I think
I'm at 100 ticks and I'm done.
82. I think we get above 82 here. This NQ is a runner. It's a track star. It's a nice pullback on SPX here. This is the kind of pullback that if we're going to just slingshot up, this is the kind of pullback you want to get in on. She's a runner. She's a track star. Even if you just take the trade now and NQ goes green, you got $200 there per mini. $200 there per mini. Just like that. Just like that. Here we go. Get ready to go green. I'm already up 140 on another mini. I'm already up 140 on another mini. FFF said you just need to clear your cache. Clear your cache. I don't know what that means. Clear your cache.
Is it cachet or is it cash? Cachet, isn't it?
Is it cash? I think it's just cash.
It has like an E at the end, so you got to give it like that sexy little like
cachet. You ever heard a
You know?
motherfucker called Target?
Yeah, of course. It's Target.
Right. So it's kind of like the same vibe.
Yeah, you know, bro, you know when you go to Target, you easily spend $10,000.
Not me.
So you gotta give it like that name.
Not me. Maybe
Not
my
me
old
either,
lady.
but my fucking card. I see it on my card though.
Maybe my,
You know,
maybe
I'm
my
not the
wife.
one doing it, but I see it.
My wife be doing that shit, but not Big Daddy.
Right. Makes you think
Not
it's like
Big
fucking
Daddy.
Louis Vuitton. It's just Target.
Just Target. I like
Clear
this.
my cachet.
See how
still
SPX
doesn't work.
reacts here. Oh.
Clear cache, clear browser data. Of course, this guy knows how to, you know, completely wipe his history.
Jamie said she cleared her cache and it still doesn't work.
What about Porsche? Is it Porsche? No, it's not Porsche. It's Porsche.
Porsche.
Put some respect on the P-ski. Some respect on the P-ski. Right, different browser maybe. Yeah, Jamie obviously doesn't know how to delete her history. There's probably some wild
Jamie's
things in there.
full of pornography.
Her history is probably pretty fire.
Full of
I'm not gonna lie.
pornography.
I was gonna say sick, but it's probably.
There you go. Ball Dan
mature.
says cash is pronounced like cash. It rhymes with dash or flash. Even though it ends with a che, the sound is catch or catch it. The browser stored the files in the cache. You know, put the cash in the bag. There we go. Don't have to think anymore. Have AI do it for you.
Sounded like Cat in the Hat, bro.
Cat in the hat. Cat in the hazy. My blizzy. There's a pop, and I'm telling you right now, if we touch this fucking orb, I'm scaling in another two or three cons. Too easy. I got my alarm set at a total gap fill. Too easy. It ain't easy being
Bro,
this
tell me
cheap.
how our lovely homeboy, the fucking rich one, texted me at 1:30 in the morning last night asking me about fair value gaps.
Bro, he been going through some shit. He going through
Right.
it. Bro, he
I replied at 8 a.m. I said,
He DM'd me the other day, bro. Sad eyes. Talking about like talking like for real, like on some like real shit. Talking about like, you know, I'm just going through it right now. I was like,
which friend are you talking about?
what are you talking about? The rich one.
Talking about like the rich one.
Right.
You sad face?
Just send me some sad face talking about, you know how it is. I be going through it. I'm like, you need me to come through, my boy? You good? And now I'm all right. You know, I promise I'm gonna come
What
through.
other friends do we have? Like,
I
now
promise
I'm
I'm
thinking,
gonna
who
come
are you
through on the
talking
show. I
about?
promise I'm gonna come through on the show soon, though.
Wait. Damn, wait.
You know what I love? When the range breaker fucking
You talking about Enrique or Jamal?
he
That was crazy.
we're breaking orb. If we see a print through, I'm
Breaking
up
orb here.
500. I'm up
Looking bullish.
I'm up 500. I'm gonna trim one at
Oh yeah,
orb.
trim that.
I'm gonna trim one at orb because it could reject.
Yeah.
Like a pro trader, I'm gonna trim one at orb.
Right.
But if it prints
Parse it
through and
out.
continues, I'm up 350 on this last mini. But if it prints through with the continuation on SPX, I'm gonna scale back into that motherfucker. So here we go.
Right.
So I took profit and I got.
They said, Max, do you call Llama to say goodnight? Yes, he does.
every day.
He goes to say goodnight to Brooke, calls me after. Hey, bro, sweet dreams, you know?
No.
I'm
Hola.
like, hey,
Hola.
appreciate
She
that.
says,
Appreciate
hola,
that, son.
hola, grande tío. That's how Brooke says it. Hola, grande tío. Buena noche. Buena noche.
Jamie said it was her VPN. She fucking figured it out. She
Good
had a
job,
VPN on. That's
Jamie.
how you know this
Good
girl be
job.
on some shit.
This long is absolutely ripping. SPX is pushing
That boy said,
through.
"Hola, grande
Big
tío."
Daddy Max
That's
is adding
crazy.
some cons. I'm adding some cons here. Oh my god, I double tapped a little too hard. No, seriously, I shouldn't have tapped that many cons. Oh my god, I can't believe I just did that. Seriously, I just hit so many contracts. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm up another 500. Seriously.
You like to tap that? Why is Pauline yelling? Who's she fucking yelling at?
Oh, there's a pop.
Hey,
Let's go.
Martin, do me a fucking favor, shut your goddamn mouth.
Definitely want to trim at like 21,899. You know what I'm saying? Because people are gonna probably want to trim that. That's psychological
At
level,
900.
right? So I'm probably gonna
You're
trim.
gonna beat him to it.
I'm gonna beat them to it. I'm gonna take them about a tick. You hear me? I'm gonna take them about a tick. So not bad. I just want to see that print through. There's a rejection on Orb. Oh, that's why we trimmed one down. Who's still holding this long with you? Who's still in that long with the boy?
Not me. Can anyone buy me an Apex account? I kindly hold on. I got you, Azzy. Can you do me one favor? Hold on.
Yeah,
on,
Llama,
right
you
here.
can take care of him, bro.
Yeah, I got him. He's
Yeah,
talking.
take care of him, bro.
I got him. Free account. Fucking. Oh my, I forgot it deletes the messages too. Whoops.
Yeah.
Just fucking. Didn't even think about it, bro. Just insta ban. Like, get your fucking dumb ass out of my goddamn chat.
Remember you.
I'd rather hear Kendrick. I'd rather read Kendrick saying "Stop it, I'm almost done" than fucking read "Please give me an account." Right. You feel me? Show, like, I'm gonna be like, oh, don't worry, brother. Oh, don't worry, bro.
Kendrick Heller.
I got you right now. Not like I'm live in front of 1,245 people.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Don't worry. I don't have a job. I don't have a job. Don't worry, I don't have a job. so I don't know which rich friend you were talking about. Were you talking about Enrique or Jamal? Which one of our friends were you talking about?
You're talking about Jamal.
Right. Were you talking about Jamal?
Yes, bro.
So Jamal texts me and he goes, so I tell him, I'm like, no, the fair value got it's validated. I printed through it. He said, show me. So, oh, don't worry, bro. I got you right now. Not like I'm live in front of 1,400 people or 1,245 people. Don't worry, I don't have a job. I'll teach you right now about fair values, my boy, right now. Like, don't worry about it.
I'll teach you right now. Look at the breakout on SPX. There it goes. That is a fucking, oh my God, a candle. I'm scaling in. I'm scaling in. NQ's dragging ass, but I scaled. I'm looking for 900. I'm looking for 900 and a gap closure. I'm looking for 900 SPX, my final price target. I've been calling my shot. I want to see 6,022 for a full gap close. I want to see NQ go from red to green. If it goes red to green, you know what I mean. That thing is gonna be pop. That's it, boy. I just want to see NQ, bro. I just literally want to see NQ go from red to green. That's it. That's all I want is one more pop red to green.
Just resting topside orb like that, and you're just bully.
Bully, rocking everywhere. Bully, rocking everywhere. What's up, everybody? Big Daddy Max here. Imagine if we simplified trading for you to where blue means up and purple means down. Well, that is what the quantum shift indicator does. If you're not going to do one and done like Big Daddy Max preaches and you want to scalp all day long, at least be smart and use the quantum shift indicator. Simplify your trading and be successful today. I'm big chilling up here. I love where NQ's at.
Ooh. ES is broken out of.
Yeah, SPX is going. SPX is going. SPX is going. I just need NQ to be like, all right, I'm finna go too. Oh, I'm finna go too. I know that's right. Yeah, this looks nice. This has been a pretty solid day. Just scaling in, scaling out, scaling in, scaling out, scaling in, scaling out. The Big Daddy Max way. The Max way. If this Treesy's on fucking SPX, oh my God, there goes. Oh my God, there goes.
What are you gonna do for Treesy's?
Too easy. Too easy. Too easy. See you later. See you later. See you later. Go from red to green.
Oh, hasta luego. I feel like Max has been losing weight.
Who said that?
Fucking Bunny, bro. Yo, Bunny. He has a wife, bro. God damn.
Who said that?
Max?
Bunny?
I swear his face looks smaller. It's because he moved the camera farther back.
Wait a minute.
Nah, I'm kidding.
What's Bunny trying to get into?
Right, like Bunny, yo, calm your sweet ass down, shorty.
Bunny, what you been trying to get into?
Right.
Let me mind you, hoes. Huh? Let me remind y'all, hoes.
He does look like he lost weight. That AI motherfucker. Really? I'm trying to tell you, Max, you've been killing it, my boy. I wish it perfect. I would have done the same.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
I'm about to tell his cocksucking ass to just get on the show.
It's all about the haircut. Yeah. I literally, if I don't shave
on the show right now,
then the haircut. It's
about
SPX just about to stop your boy out right here, and that's
oh no,
almost.
Did I have to literally mark out the orb for everyone to see that we're still inside orb?
That's almost a full stoppage for me. Almost a full stop out here. Hold on, we almost out. We almost out, Llama. Oh, there's a full stop. I'm out.
Oh, wow.
It hit me.
Whoa. Oh.
Full stop out. Almost ruined all my games.
Whoa.
That shit almost ruined all my fucking games.
We should have had that bitch close as fuck, my boy. Honestly, that's a 40-point stop loss. 30 points.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha. That shit almost
Fuck,
killed.
Keisha?
I don't give a fuck, Keisha. That shit almost killed
printers?
my
No trade.
gains. You know what though? If SPX gets back above ORB here,
No,
I'm gonna fucking jump right back in. I don't give a fuck. Hold on.
What the fuck?
Look at this ripper. Hold on.
No, look at this guy in the chat.
Who? That's me. That's me and
At
my
a bar
boy Rob's
mitzvah?
wedding. That's me and my boy Rob's wedding.
I can't picture you wearing a suit right now. I'm gonna keep it real. Like with the bald, like a shaven face, like you look like a baby's rectum face, and a nice comb over.
Yo,
I can
what?
see you in the suit, but you right now just looking like a fucking hippo with a fucking beard and the fucking hair on your head. I cannot see you just wearing a tight tailored tuxedo.
I look so good in a suit, dog.
Yeah, when you look like that fucking guy who
Nah.
fucking you can just slap his cheek like
I
this
put
and
on
it
a
just
suit right
sounds
now.
like
I put on a suit right now. Extra clean. I'm finna jump back in this fucking long. If this candle closes above the previous one above ORB, I want to get back in this fucking long. It might have stopped me out, but I'm not afraid to re-enter that bitch with a quick 10-point leasy. There's some relative weakness on NQ today. That's the only downside.
I still haven't posted on Instagram, bro. You guys are trolling me. Give
I'll
me
jump
a second, guys.
Jump right
Fuck,
back.
I have fucking trying to work here, guys.
Mom, I swear I'll jump right
Only
back.
one way to get out of poverty, and it's continuated working.
Let me see, bro.
Let me
I look
caption
good
this
in
shit.
that photo. You could pull that photo down, Doc. I don't know why you still got it up. You could pull it.
Bro, I'm telling you, that's a good looking for that guy. I could see that guy right there with the bald, the shaven face, and the comb over in a suit. But this guy right here, this degenerate,
I look good in
fully
a suit.
tatted wild animal in a suit.
I look good,
Tricky
boy.
work.
I look good,
Tricky
boy.
work.
You're
Right.
You're wrong.
Looks like we're back at that low.
Yeah, and
It
Q's
looks
got that
like-
relative weakness.
Look at the ES. This was the ES entry right here. The break, the re-tee, and the skibbity with the boo bop.
The boo bop. It broke my heart.
Look like
Mama,
caption
it
this
broke
dog
my
shit ass
heart. It
video.
stopped me out. I got no re-entry. And the long, I missed, bro, the bell missed by literally 10
points.
cents. 1 point. 1 point on SPX, 10 cents.
Post this bitch ass video. What do I caption this dog shit ass video?
Not
Can I
too
just put it with no
shabby.
caption? Can I just post with no caption?
Now I'm watching Future Strat 2 and 1 right here in confluence with each other. I'm gonna have a banger here in a second. SPX can take back over 18 and a half. Yeah, I'm just gonna fucking dive right big in that beer. I'm gonna dive right back in that beer. Has the orb indicator been fixed? We are working on it, guys. The problem is with TradingView on my balls. TradingView has flagged me as a vendor and they suspended my TradingView account, all kinds of nasty shit. And so I am just waiting patiently for them to figure out their mess. So nothing we can do on there. And well, we have my developer, Owen, is working on it diligently. And hopefully we can get that resolved soon. I want to see, hold on. I want to see a little, okay, hold on. Drop a little bit, just a little bit right here. I want to go long. I want to go long. I need to wait for the next candle.
Yo, can you explain? I know you're a little bit more intelligent. How can I make this caption make sense if I say how to patiently turn trading? It's already too long. I already don't like it.
Bro, all of my captions are normally like,
you're fucking famous already, you fucking cocksucker.
in the last 2 minutes, you've called me more intelligent than you and famous. What's going on though? What you trying to get into? Oh fuck! I don't cut that. Damn it!
Yo,
Nah, fuck. Fuck.
yo,
My bad.
bro.
Oh no! Fucking.
Yo, you've been on a roll on killing the fucking war. You know we're gonna get fucking banned now, right?
This is why we stick. This is why we stick it out in fucking Discord, baby. My
Dumbass, bro. We can
Hey, that
never
was a
make it
funny-
to YouTube.
hey, that was a funny
We
ass
can't make
one,
it
too.
to Kick. We can't make it to fucking
Yeah.
nothing.
yeah, that was a funny one too.
Jesus,
That was so clever.
Christ.
I hit him with the ring and everything. Hit him with it.
Bro,
you
we
know?
had 55 Leave the fucking Discord since you said that. Look at
No,
that. We dropped down.
that's just
We were at
speakerphone
12:45.
liberals. That's liberals on speakerphone who just heard me fucking say it, and then they got smoked. No big deal. You're ready. I'm telling you,
They
I love
said,
this
"Hey, it's
war,
our
baby. Here we
month."
go. Here we go. Hold on. If NQ stops dragging ass, I don't give a fuck.
Oh my god.
See, if we can get up by like, if we get 3 bar here above 72, Llama, I'm back in. 3 bar above 72, I'm back in. 3 bar above 70, I don't give a fuck. 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 All this relative weakness, that's gotta give me that 72.50. You don't want to give me that.
This makes sense. How to turn trading into your main source of income from a hobby or from a side. Is that too long?
I keep my shit short and simple, bro. That's all I try.
Fucking famous already. I need to fucking say something. You know, this fucking chat doesn't fucking support shit I do. I gotta fucking keep it working, bro. I gotta.
My captions normally do well when I just write something very basic, very simple.
I'm gay. Happy Pride Month.
No, like this trader made one of the best trades I've ever seen.
Yeah, but I need to make that video that you're gonna react to. That's the hard part.
I'll never react to your videos. They're trash.
Exactly. I gotta fucking get to work. Look at all these people. NQ is cooking me. Wait, have you tried not fucking trading? Have you tried that one? Have you tried not trading?
Have you tried not trading, idiot?
Have you tried avoiding the fucking bullshit that we're in right now? Have you tried that one?
NQ being so weak right now makes me just want to take a short because it's just bull.
I've only wanted to sell this whole fucking year. There's no way I'd take now one buy from anywhere over here.
It's dumb, but I'm just like confused because SPX is on that ripper. And then look at NQ. Yeah, look at the short here.
I would only take sells from here. And I marked out this orb specifically for you guys to understand. We're still in orb, which makes me even more bearish because we're at topside orb.
Yeah, look at it.
Very simple. I drew this for y'all. Was I going to trade it for y'all? Fuck no. Fuck no. That man. I already caught my 100 chicks, bro. I'm good for the day. I'm done.
You did good work, my boy. You did good work. I like the long still. I'm telling you, SPX is just fucking ripping that orb ski.
I'm just gonna cut it there.
It's just so
turning
nice.
into your main source of income, right?
NQ's just being such a bitch.
If you're here, I know you love the orb as much as I do. And that's why we came out with the max options trading orb indicator with a little bit of max and sauce so you can get the best entry possible. Check out the max options trading orb indicator today.
I'm telling you, I'm just gonna chill. I'm not in anything anymore, but I like it. Now we needed some candle structure break, print through orb, that midline and Q hold. It pops back into the range, to be honest. I think if it gets around 65 now, I might go for it again. I don't give a fuck. I really don't give a fuck right now. I'm playing with profit. I'm the man. Here goes SPX. Look, here goes SPX. Here goes SPX. NQ. NQ fitting to do it.
Go for it when you're him. Don't forget it. Yo, Max, do me a favor, bro.
What?
Don't ever forget in your bitch ass life, you're him.
Bro, I am him.
Right? From side hustle to main squeeze, let's get a band going on rain. That's fucking dog shit ass caption.
Absolutely fucking torch along.
All right, here goes Robin in the chat, bro. I feel like he's getting a little disrespectful. We might, and he added Thebigdaddymax.
What did he say? What did he say?
He dropped this game.
Talking about the game tonight? Are you talking about the game tonight? Robin, your ass don't want to sing again.
No, Jamal's in the chat.
Robin, you don't want to sing again, do you?
Look, Jamal's in the chat.
Bro, get his soft ass. Get his ass up here. Cat's game tonight,
Not
man.
good enough here.
Get up here, bro.
Oh, great.
Get his sweet ass up here.
Oh, great. No way he comes on here.
Get his fucking baby ride for me.
Oh, Roberto!
Take your time with me.
That's a nice shirt, my boy.
Get your sweet ass Daddy Q. Big Daddy Q Banks in the motherfucking building. What's going on?
Big Daddy Max.
Banksy.
Big Daddy is kind of crazy, honestly.
That you see.
Big
This
Daddy.
guy's always trying to make it weird, bro. Come on. Come on.
Somehow y'all got me on the shoulder. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Oh.
Big Daddy.
What's the word?
What's the word, bird?
What's the signals here, twin? Like, let me get some.
Right. What you trying
Trader right
you trying to get into?
You better look at the YM chart. What's going on?
yo, it's crazy. Yeah, because, like last night, I'm looking at some chart work and that kind of shit, and then I'm like, yo, like this area looks weird, man. Like, is this what Llama been talking about the entire time with fair value gaps and that kind of stuff? I wasn't sure, so I hit him up and everything, and I'm trying to figure it out like all night and that kind of stuff, trying to learn it a little bit.
Let's start Googling FVG.
Oh my god.
Imagine he pulled up on the video the how I explained it to what's his name, the old guy,
Oh my God.
the
Oh
real
my God.
FBG.
Yeah, you know, fucking FBG up fucking $2,900 right now. I guarantee you, motherfucking that.
Max, look at where it bounced from off my screen.
Was that a fair
An
value?
FBG. That's a fair value gap there, dumbass.
Oh my bad.
So cute. Look, you wanted to see 3 candle pattern, 1, 2, and 3. There's no wicks and meeting in the middle, so that's an imbalance in price, which means typically it's a magnet. Price is going to want to come, and if it can respect, it'll typically just go after that. As we can see, the first down move here and the explosion, the second down move and explosion. Very simple. You see them all the time. That's free chicken. Q got you guys free chicken. You want the rest? You're gonna have to fuck off and buy the course. I don't give a fuck, okay?
Man, we filled that shit so hard, bro.
They got Q in the chat already.
Look, they got
Yo, Q, so talk to me, bro. You were chilling recently. You were chilling the past couple months, and you know, we talk on the regular.
Yeah.
And you were kind of just taking it light. Small trades. Well, big trades for all of us fucking broke ass people in this motherfucker. But you decided to smack 123 bands yesterday in one day, 24 hours. How does it feel?
Yeah, it was
You made
cool. It was
123 racks yesterday?
Well,
And then he posted a video squatting, and I said he looked thick, and somehow I'm weird for that.
That's hella gay.
Is it?
is it? Insane. But nah. Nah, so yeah, like it was 2 moves that I caught on post CPI actually. At first I was actually on buys before CPI actually hit. I closed like about maybe 15 minutes before. And then after it hit, I'm like, God damn, that would have been a nice amount. But then in reality, like, you know, to even like be a part of CPI is kind of crazy as it is, because even if you had a stop loss there and that kind of shit, it would have gapped.
It'll obliterate your stop loss.
You know, that happened to me once actually. I was trading NFP, and then pretty much I had a stop loss and that kind of stuff, and then pretty much it gapped at a 0.50 on, let's say, US 30, what NQ, whatever, right? I had a stop loss at like 15,000, and then pretty much it made me lose like around 35,000. You know, and then,
It
Yeah,
just
you
slipped
got
past your shit.
Flip.
You got
you know,
flipped.
and then since then I'm like, yo, fuck that. I don't want to be a part of any kind of crazy news. CPI, FOMC, NFP, nothing. So I'd rather skip that. So I got in on some trades after CPI, wrote it down for a tad bit, made like around 28,000 or like 32,000, I think. And then pretty much got back in after it retested the previous high and everything. And then I took that down for 92,000. So,
But I like that though. I like a post CPI trade.
yeah.
Like yesterday, there was a nice post CPI sell off on NQ. There was the same. I call it a data high.
Okay.
Perfect sweep, and it fucking tanked the whole way down. And I missed it because it was like at 8:45, and I don't get on until 9 a.m. to avoid taking any pre market. And then I took the buy. We took the buy all the way up yesterday.
Insane.
So the sell and the buy were clean. You just took both.
Yeah, man. I'll be on it actually. So, you know, I try to just take.
No, we know. I think I've explained it to the chat before. Q is addicted to trading, guys. I think people don't understand. This guy's an addiction.
For me personally, it's more just like the action of it. You know what I'm saying? Like to get, let's say, $50,000 to deposit into your bank account is very different from $50,000 on the charts. Like it just feels like, yo, I just made this shit just like analyzing. Like I think it's like the fact that you analyze to even make that. You know, so I think this is way more rewarding than anything else.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely fucking is, bro. And to do it on such a high level consistently, easy work. It's easy fucking work.
It's hard to stay inside that mindset to actually, do those kind of numbers and that kind of stuff. But I mean, like once you're pretty much focused, like I think like that's like personally it's like my toughest year so far, because that's only like my second $100,000 day all year. You know what I'm saying? So it's just, for me, it's just very, very different. So I had to try to get back on my shit and everything else and like focus and all these things to get shit moving, you know?
Right. Hey, but you know
Right.
what? And that makes you that, when my model, luckily for me, works for most markets, but clearly your model for you right now hasn't been working for this wild volatility market. So like what do you think the main reason is, or the main thing you got to switch to get back to those bags? Because you were last year, I know for a fact, because Llama's dumbass was fucking showing me, you were flipping 40 to 500 easily all the time.
He did it like 3 times, and it was like 300.
Okay. All right, I'm trimming a little profit here. Hold on. I'm trimming 2
40 to like 300. I'm kind of crazy.
I'm trimming 2 contracts here, and I'm moving my stop losses up to 87 and 88. I got 4 minis left.
And that long ended up fucking ripping.
I think the biggest thing that as to why it was a lot harder because the markets has changed so much this year. For one, it was an election year, and the markets were very very condensed a few months ago. So stop loss ranges for 100 points were seeming like it was super tight, right?
Yes.
It seemed like it was like maybe 20 points, but it was really 100 points. Like it was crazy. So like those areas were just very very hard to trade, and it was like this back to back stop loss hit, stop loss hit, stop loss hit, all these things, and trying to actually figure that part out, but also waiting, being more patient until the market actually gets back regular. After the whole election stuff and everything else, so we could actually just get back to like regular conditions to then feel a bit more comfortable with taking trades on how I normally would take them. So I think it was me just realizing that like, yo, it's condensed or am I tripping? You know, so I wasn't tripping. It was just weird.
Yeah, it was hard to really get like adjusted or like accustomed to that. Like YM was having minus 1,700 point days, like back to back.
Insane.
Fucking NQ was down 1,000 points some days. I'd never seen that. The average day on NQ is 250 points, maybe 300. We were seeing minus 1,000 for like a week, 2 weeks straight.
Yeah, Q, you hold your shit too. You're a day trader. You're not like me. Like I'm in and out of a motherfucker in 7 minutes for me. That's a long time.
Right, and for your wife.
Max, I heard about your trades, bro. Like you're in and out, like this, doom, like done.
Boom. Yeah,
I've never seen Max hold a trade as long as he's holding right now.
Honestly, I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed with myself right now. I'm not gonna lie. I got 2 cons on one account right now and 4 minis on another account that I'm rolling 60 fucking points right now. And I'm big.
I've never seen you hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes.
Yeah, I'm a quick scalper, Q, but my entry model is so clean that I honestly feel like I like getting that quick cash. Plus, I usually go. And I'm not saying this to like brag or anything, but I usually go a few months without losing, like having a red day. It's just consistency over everything. So I can't really hit like a big bag. Like, I'm not going to have a lot of 5 or 6 figure days, but I can consistently hit 1K and do that shit for months. This breakout is fucking ripping, baby. I am up. This might be my biggest trade. I'm going for my biggest trade ever right now. My biggest trade ever was $5,000. I'm at 4,800 right now. I'm literally.
You have 20 more points for free range.
Yeah, I'm going for my biggest trade ever right now, Big Daddy Q. I'm pretty fucking pumped. I usually don't hold, but I was so convinced.
I think it was the aura that I brought to the chat, maybe. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you came in strong with some aura, my guy, and I only need a couple more points to have my biggest trade ever on the Big Daddy Morning Show. I am currently at 5,400 on my other account, so technically. If I take all profit now, this is my biggest trade ever, but I'm gonna let it run and I'm just gonna let these stops do the trailing for me, baby.
Right.
Dude, what was your biggest trade? Was it that one trade for not money wise, like points wise? That was like 800 points, 900 points?
Yeah, I think it was actually. Yeah. Like
it was like right under 1,000 points.
I'm trimming out some there. I trimmed out there.
Ridiculous.
All right, I want
to see this 9-10 hold for you, Max.
No, like
9-10 holds is like free range.
Max, so like
a couple there.
Trade like 5 minutes. Is that?
I think this is long.
No,
bro. In two minis, I'm up 2,800 right now. 2 minis. I'm only trading.
Max's trades are typically like a minute and a half. He could catch like a 3-minute trade. Like that's like
my average trade. Actually, no. The serious data is 1 minute and 27 seconds.
Let me check my own data.
My average trade length is 1 minute and 27 seconds. Right now, my win percentage is 94.8%, and my average win is $326, and my average loss is $212, and that's over the course of 917 trades. When people say I'm him, I think there's a deeper meaning to that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think it's just like real deep. Q, have you ever tried to put an X on your chest and just fucking?
Oh god, no, man.
It's removing, bro.
Yeah. This was starting to pump actually.
It's just removing.
Oh, what'd you just fucking say, dog?
What did he
say? She looked like we were at Hooters.
Yeah, someone get that gym video from Q yesterday. Let's production get the gym video from Q up on the chat on the board.
No, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I feel like my and I didn't want to continue the comments going, but I feel like what I said was pretty normal.
Hold on.
Yeah, crazy because like I was a part of these buys like last night, but then it stopped me out like maybe by 3 points while I was sleeping. I had 3.
Stop. I'm actually trailing my stop now. Oh, I'm moving my stops up to 14 and 10. 10 is 68 points in the money right now. My stop losses are 68 points in the money on this long. I think this is officially my biggest
What is
trade
your
ever.
biggest trade?
Stop
Congrats.
that one. Hold on. And I am officially out of the trade. Am I? Hold on. It's going to tap. It's right there. I'm out. I'm officially out of the trade, guys. That was it.
Yo, that Max picture is crazy work.
Here it is.
You were like what, 19 years old here, Max? You're a fucking cadet. Like, what is the word there? Like,
What, with the beret?
what is that
No,
guy?
I was a
A leg?
I was a paratrooper in Italy. I just made $5,059, and I actually took the trade on 2 different accounts. I made an additional 47 hundo, so I'm almost up 10,000 for scalping on 2 accounts. So
Amazing.
The work there, my
channel my inner Big Daddy Q right here. Hit me.
Yo, so like, what's your biggest streak?
We're on my
Our
biggest
current streak is like 65 right now.
for green days. This is my second longest green day streak ever. I did have Apex accounts for over 100 days. Yeah, that's what I told you. I can't play big. I scalp, but the max way is more about consistency and base hits than hitting anything. One chart I always show people. Here, let me pull up this chart. And this is one thing, y'all are about to get some real free motherfucking chicken because Big Daddy Q's here. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to drop some free chicken. That's kind of racist, I guess, if I say that because Q's here now. But I'm gonna
I mean, not if you say goat, it's different. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm Jamaican, so I mean it's a little bit different.
yo,
Yeah, he's Jamaican.
you
He's
fuck
not
with
much-
you fuck with
Oh.
curry, you fuck with curry goat.
Of course.
Bro, he
Bro.
eats his favorite
No.
shit is goat.
There's
That's
not a
weird.
Jamaican, it's not a Jamaican restaurant, but up by me, bro. That boy Victor got that Indian palace, and he makes the most fire curry goat. I love it,
like curry
bro.
goat.
Bro, they give you the curry goat with the fucking jasmine rice and a little garlic naan bread. Stop.
You know something then?
Stop
You know something?
playing. This chart right here. This is kind of my vibe. So pull this up, production. I'm posting it in the chat. So you can see here, this is how I trade. No trade 1, no trade 1, 1, no trade 2, 1, 2, withdrawal, 3 trades, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, no, no, no. And then you multiply that by 5 accounts. I made 25 bands that month.
Good shit.
And I'm barely fucking trading. I'm having fun. We're rocking out. And so I think the consistency over everything. I actually didn't have a red trade. My profit factor, my highest profit factor ever was 9,000.
1,000? What?
Yeah, because when you go 2 months without even a red trade, it's infinite towards your profit. But that's what I think the most important thing is, especially because as a super scalper with a tight standardized system, I don't give a fuck about the volatility or the news or anything like that. You know, I play the charts. You dropped one of the coldest lines I ever reacted to. Big Daddy Q said, the guy was like, you don't want to rent out. My brother, hold on real quick. My brother says Jamaican oxtail is the best oxtail with some steamed veggies, rice, and peas. The best. My brother's a home chef, so if he says that, I know it's the real deal.
Let me show you.
So the deal is if you're just small and consistent and the strategy is standardized, I don't give a fuck about none of that stuff because normally you could pull that down, Doc. Normally I just get, like who wouldn't take 25 bands right there? Who wouldn't do that? For one and done.
Solid, but people want to get it in one. You feel me? Like in one sitting. That's the problem.
Q, Jesus Christ! There's a comma.
I'm sorry, there, bud.
Yeah, you really didn't.
I'm in all of those.
You didn't need to flex on me like that.
Nah, I'm just saying. Like
you didn't need to fucking drop it on me
they
like
already
that.
made the thick GIF of him. Q, do you see the
So,
chat?
like,
Where we got a GIF of
You see how they made you thick already?
Oh yeah, damn.
Right.
Q kind of looked like John Jones from the back.
John Jones? I mean, I'll take it.
You kind of look
More
like
like Nicki
he's the
Minaj.
baddest man on the planet.
I'll
Yeah,
take it.
you kind of look like John
Crazy.
Jones. Look at doing a little Donald Trump shimmy. Yeah.
All right, let me chill. That was funny.
That's a nice trade, and the long still looks good for anyone who's still holding it. I still like the long. Look at
What was the quote? They said, what was the quote that you said was fire?
So good. What?
The chat said, what was the quote? Like Q said one of the best quotes you heard, and then we completely started talking about how he looks like John Jones.
Well, I have ADHD, so you gotta fucking lock in.
Yeah, that shit's beating your ass right now.
The quote was he was getting interviewed from some fucking guy, and the guy was like, bro, you could rent out one of those cars like your Lamborghini for like $1,000 a day. And he's like, I'm not gonna
Well,
rent out my Lamborghini for $1,000 a day. He's like, bro, that's like 200, 300 a year. He goes, I can make that right on the charts.
He said 10.
right.
And then, but then in the video,
It
the
was
beat drops.
10K, yeah.
And the
that-
bass drops. It was like, I can make that in the charts. I was like,
Ooh,
I like whoever did
shit.
that edit was they're on
I don't
definitely.
need to rent out my Lamborghini. I'll make that on the charts.
Right.
Too, you know, I'm like it's like they might bring it back like stink or something is scratched or I don't want to deal with that. I don't know. Could be weird.
Q, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I've been saying it for a long time, but can you imagine what Llama's chair smells like?
Listen, I think about it all the time, bro.
You think about it all the time.
He sits there and just I don't know, just there for hours.
Bro, he's
Soaking
there
up.
all day. My boy used to have appointments from 11 till 6 p.m. He's in the chair. I used to sit here thinking like, damn, that chair, it's gotta stink, bro.
Bro, this is a good chair, bro.
Oh, Q
This
said,
shit not gonna smell.
that shit all the time.
Perforated.
This shit not gonna. So this is a good chair. This is
Got
good
holes in it,
material.
bro. So
Right. This not good. This good. That's good work right there. And I smell good. I don't sweat. We've talked about this.
Hold on now. If SPX breaks back below 60-30, guys,
I
if
don't
SPX
sweat.
breaks below 60-30 here, I think we might actually start seeing a retracement. Here. We did have some relative weakness on NQ, so you might see some pullback right here if SPX prints through that 30
SPX is
mark.
mad weak right now.
Yeah, SPX
Oh
looks
no,
weak.
I'm looking at Dow Jones. I'm tripping.
Dow
I'm looking
Jones.
at the wrong shit, bro.
Wait
Fuck.
for SPX to print through and close
YM could tank from here is what I was looking at.
right
Let's
here.
see.
If this prints through, I might go short, to be honest, with the relative weakness on NQ.
I'll go short, twin.
Yeah,
Already called it a day. I'm done trading.
if that candle flips, you got to go short. To be honest with you, it's going to break back into a previous structure. It's no good.
Oh, good, Poppy. Listen.
If it breaks, you got to react.
Max, do you have a book? Is that a real book?
Dr. Squatch, that's soap.
Soap? Fuck is
Dr.
soap?
Squatch.
Natural soap. Oh, this is a soap. I thought that was a book.
Nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move. Natural soap, grit orb. That's real. It says soap on the box. Do you even know how to read?
I'm told you, bro. We've talked about this. I'm not a good reader, bro. So I'm trying to embarrass me.
Yeah. Somebody said
Like, matter of fact, I bought Q's book. Still ain't read that shit. I'm not good at reading, bro. I read the first page and I forget what I said and I don't read again.
Don't even have words in it. It's just pictures.
Fuck, not enough pictures, bro. It's a lot of words.
It's got pictures in it.
this shit is pumping.
Hella funny. That's hella funny.
Yo, what does it mean
This
that
shit do got hella
somebody
pictures.
said Q put us on some chicken? Like what do they mean by that?
They want some free
It's a
chicken.
racist
in the
thing, bro.
military-
Just
All
ignore
right,
the
so in
chat. They're mad
military- no,
racist.
in Q. So in the military, when somebody would like say something informational or like give you a little extra piece of advice, we would call it free chicken. They were like, let me throw a little free chicken your way. That's what they used to say in the military. And so what they want is
They want like a little bit of
want the
advice,
sauce.
maybe a little bit of trading.
Yeah, they want the sauce. They want Big Daddy Q to drop a little knowledge for them. Free sauce.
I think like Llama knows like it's always so much to talk about. It just depends on like what topic that you need help on or some insight on. But yeah, I talk all stuff.
Oh, we could. Why y'all are wilding the fuck out? He said, "Q, drop the address."
Crazy.
Bro, they're out of control. I think the biggest thing right now in this market is that we have a lot of confluence to see it drop. I think a lot of people expected a red day today. I think the uptrend was very clear, bounced off yesterday's lows. I think today was a perfect we going up type day. I felt pretty damn good about the whole fucking thing.
I feel like it's still like a pretty small range though. Like we just now hit 100-point range for the day. Like today's open at 9:30. If you look at this is a dog shit day. This is why I've stood out the whole day. We just hit 100-point range after an hour.
Right.
Pretty ass.
Right.
This is what I call tight range and a waste of my time. This is what I call a waste of time.
I like the top of this range here. I mean, it looks like it might break.
Go down.
Is that Claude?
Right. Go right. Yeah.
Claude, Regin. Area General. What is that boy right there?
That's the dude with
That
the
boy
white,
right there.
the dude with the white Ferrari.
No, that's his uncle.
That's his uncle.
He has a high libido. That's his uncle with a high libido.
Why was
Can I
he so? Why was he so shiny?
Yeah, we hear you.
good. Here.
Oh, something went wrong.
He was very
Did he get
shiny.
DDoSed?
He got a lot of like glisten. What's that?
Vaseline or something. I don't know.
He covered it. Did he cover his entire body in it?
I think so. Like,
Unc, what you trying to get into, Unc?
That boy Unc he be outside, bro. He probably just outside hanging around. He probably just a little bit sweaty too, bro.
He's just
I
chilling.
mean, he's a real fucking. You call him a yardman.
Just cut the lawn.
He
Actually,
be outside. He don't know what air conditioning is. He don't fuck with AC.
He thinks he's still in
He just
Jamaica.
be outside.
Chilling out on the porch.
I tell him all
thinks
the
You go
time,
to Q's crib. Matter of fact, you could see Q could probably look out his window. His garage is probably open, and that boy was probably in there listening to music. Garage wide open. I'm telling you.
yeah, you are right.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. That boy Claude be in the garage all day. He don't know what air conditioning is. He don't like it.
No, that's right.
No,
I like
he
that.
he
I
be
got some
cooking
confluence
crazy.
for a short. I got some confluence for a little shorty at the top of the range, rejecting. We got a little MVG. I got my little alarm set. I got 2 alarms set. If the first one hits, I might short, and the second one hits, I might TP. I don't know.
Nah, I'm not touching none of this shit. And for some reason, my trading view logged me out, and now I'm missing a whole 1 minute candle. What
Hey,
is this about?
we should fuck with Q and tell him that he's frozen when he comes back. Want to? You want to?
He'll just leave. He's rich.
Oh, right. He'll just be like, all right, bye. Yeah, right.
He doesn't need the clout.
No, he don't give a fuck. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know I have a candle missing, jackass. I just fucking said it.
Fucking jackass.
Candle just disappeared on me.
GX, man. What a ripper today. Guys, what a
Shitty ass-
great day. What a great
Shitty ass
day.
year.
What a great day. We're going to give away an FFF account. Maybe Big Daddy Q wants to give away an FFF account. Hey, you blow 3 accounts when I just went long today. That was it. I just went long.
Took
Went
one
long
trade.
the whole time. I just went long. How the fuck you
Shit,
blow
bro, I
3
was
accounts?
in it.
What the fuck?
Blow 3.
Bro, I had my stops. I was posting them. I was calling them out. What the fuck?
Oh man,
You're bugging.
that's funny as hell.
I'm so
You
confused.
just
How that
say-
happened.
like you could just see, you could just tell this guy's Jamaican.
How can you
When
tell?
he doesn't put a H in birthday. He said birthday. He said, "Brother, me birthday just passed. We need one of them accounts."
Hey, how Jamaican is Q? Like, can he throw on the voice?
Bro, that boy is Jamaican. Like when I go over there, bro, they need to put subtitles on because I'm like, what are y'all boys even saying right now?
Oh, so when he's talking with the fam, you're like, what the fuck?
Nah, he be talking English, but he'll put on the patois sometimes, and I'm like, what the fuck did he say?
Right. It's called patois.
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 Oh,
Oh,
come on.
what was that? What's that?
had to confirm some withdrawals and shit. But
Yeah, no problem. No problem, Q. You do you, baby. You do you.
always, man.
See, that was pretty good.
Uh,
Like that one.
What you guys looking at for the rest of the day, though?
I'm just fucking with one and done. I'm up 10 B's on the funded future family evals. I got to go to the dentist at 1 o'clock and finish my grill.
Again?
Yeah, I got 2 more teeth that they got to do.
What? What do you mean?
I got
Pull up?
fake teeth. I got crowns. I got implant crowns. My whole grill.
Good shit.
You got veneer?
He's rich now, Q.
I got
So-
composite veneers, like so.
Composite,
like my teeth.
those are the higher end ones.
Well, my teeth is not shaved down. It's just more they put a compound on top of the teeth.
Yeah,
and
my
then
teeth are gone, Q. He's the new grill.
Damn, fuck it, bro. Driving, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm rich now, Q. Did you hear? I'm rich. I bought a second pair of Crocs.
Right?
Yo, you know what's funny about that? Because I had told somebody the other day, right? Like, if I want to go out and treat myself, I go out and buy a brand new pair of Vans. You know what I'm saying?
Man, this guy, I'm surprised you're not
Brand new
sponsored
pair of
yet.
Vans, shit is going good.
Llama dogs you because of those Vans. He talks a lot of shit about you in Vans, but he's a hoe. Yeah, Llama does. Llama talks shit about your Vans.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
Vans can't really support him. You know what I'm saying? He's got like a lot going on and shit.
Right. That's what it was.
Blow the fucking sides out of them things quick, boy.
Oh god, yeah.
I know that's right.
This motherfucker's like, you just set me up to get toasted like that. Like I've never mentioned this guy and his Vans a day in my life.
Yeah, literally every time we talk about Q, Llama's like, man, you guy's rich. You see him wearing fucking Vans?
Right.
Guy
Weak ass Vans.
Guy made
Right.
120 fucking G's yesterday. He's in the gym in fucking Vans.
Yeah, man.
Jim fucking Vans looking thick as shit.
He's in there looking thicker than a Snicker in the fucking Vans.
Like 120 bands, he could have gone and had a chest day and posted a video, but he's like, gotta look thick real quick.
Yo,
Big
no, like
Henry.
well, I'm kind of tall. You know what I'm saying? Well, Llama's not really tall, but Max, you get it right.
Thank you,
He's
bro.
taller than
Yes,
Bro, I'm the
thank
tallest
you.
out of us three.
You're
Bro,
not
me and
taller than
Q got some height. Me and Q got some height. Llama's not that big. People don't understand, bro.
Yeah,
I mean,
You know
he's
what?
big.
You know what it is?
No,
Is the
he's
past
big.
5
He's
phone
big as
calls with
hell.
Q, I've been telling him he's a terrible athlete. So you know what? He's coming on here and he's trying to shit on me. You think I don't remember now because I've been toasting you for saying the only sport you're good at is fucking running, which it doesn't count as a sport.
Oh, Jamaican guy that's good at running. Shocker.
Whoa.
Yeah, really breaking barriers there.
basketball, football, anything that involves running, I'm good at it.
So you're just like a natural athlete, Q.
I mean, I've always been. I feel like like my genetics are.
Q is a traitor, bro. He's a traitor, and you put him in any sport, and you'll tell he's a traitor, bro. Promise you that.
What you mean by
Except
that?
running.
Listen, bowling does not count as a sport, by the way.
Llama thinks
What the fuck is it?
Llama thinks he's
It's a fucking
nasty at
event?
bowling. Llama thinks he's so nasty at bowling.
No, I don't. No, I'm
He
not.
always
I've
talks about
bowled with Q. He's
Yeah,
pretty good.
bro, I bowled like a 150.
Oh,
He doesn't.
Rookie
Oh, wait.
numbers.
I'm at bowls what like average what like 120, right?
120.
I average like a 160.
160.
Like that's like my average. On a good day, I'll hit like a 2.
Yeah, I'll smoke you.
190.
I'll definitely cook you a bowling.
Gotta go to the lanes on one of these days.
Yeah.
Max, you'll fucking tear your rotator cuff if
I'm not
you go
gonna
bowling,
lie.
right,
After I bowl, my fucking left hip hurts really bad. But I'm a lefty, so I got a little advantage. I got that good oiled up left side of the lane. I'm a lefty, so I usually do all right. But my fucking hip,
True.
my hip be hurting after I bowl, bro. I'm not used to doing that little.
You're not used to doing much, Max. You lift your leg up one time and caught a cramp.
Caught a cramp. I almost tore the whole fucking thing.
This guy trying to show his ankle tattoo and fucking that was it. ACL was obliterated.
Yeah, it was rough.
Jesus Christ.
It was rough. What's
So yeah, on a serious note, Q's pretty ass at sports. Like you could just tell this guy's a traitor.
I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I don't think anyone up on the stage, to be honest, is a real athlete. And if I
No,
and
I'm a literal athlete though. That's the thing.
Okay,
you're an athlete though,
Right. Yeah.
and that long is just long, bro.
It's just longing.
That long is
Long is just longing. Is YM still running too? Yeah, this long is just longing, honestly.
All day.
Yep. This was where I wanted it to go to. Previous day 50 is sitting here. My 76 right on top. I would expect it to stay in range. The fact that it's so slow today, I expect it to stay in range and probably start to trickle back down from me. But I would like to.
Trickle back down. Q, talk to us. Be real here, bro. You gonna buy another car soon?
Nah, no need right now, bro. I'm chilling because
No.
remember, like I have a brand new house, bro. Like I'm trying to just like fix it up and furnish it and focus on that right now. And plus,
Yeah, you see, like I hate when these guys start to get humble.
You got a nice
Max
house.
says he bought a house,
nice
he got a mansion. Q has a mansion.
I don't have a
like-
mansion.
it's a big
I
house.
have
Well,
I have a
it's
nice
considered-
house.
square footage wise, yes, I think it is considered as.
What's
But,
the man? What's the square footage that considered a mansion?
At minimum 8,200, and I have 8,300.
Oh, you have 8,300 under air?
You're fucking rich, bro. You see what I'm telling you?
Oh no, that's a mansion. Fuck you. You got it. Yeah.
That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying.
My shit's
Like
like
you bought
20,
a new house. No, you just bought the fucking castle at Disney.
Yeah.
That fucking Magic Kingdom is what you just bought, all right, Bucko?
my shit is my
Jesus
shit's only
Christ.
2,500 square feet.
Hey, listen,
You're adding another 25 because you're rich.
But
Now, what are
I
you
got I got some nice palm trees.
Listen, palm trees is everything, man.
Oh,
I get it.
Q turned into the gardener.
No, Q. You like
He
gardening?
loves, he
Q?
loves trees now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have new palm trees outside. Well, you can't really see it right here, but I got
Bro,
like
what nursery
just
did you
added
go?
them.
What nursery did you go to? Because I'm about to go buy a bunch of palms too to finish the decor around my landscaping. I want some Christmas palms. I want some nice ones.
it was one that's like by me because they have field grown coconut trees that can get up to like around 30 feet and everything.
You
else,
got
so.
coconut trees on your property? I'm gonna actually cut my coconut trees down. I don't trust that shit.
Why
These
not?
these motherfuckers drop so many coconuts, bro. My daughter or my dog or someone's gonna be walking back there and get fucking smacked in the head.
Just eat them.
I don't like coconut.
That's
Different.
me.
Yeah, it's too
I
spicy
don't hear
for me.
that very, very often. That's why.
He's
Yeah, I don't-
white, Q. He's white.
I like coconut.
It's too
Yeah,
spicy.
Are you
Coconut
white?
is spicy.
Like, what's your background, Max? Just like Caucasian.
White.
I'm
Mouth
Jewish.
of Caucasus.
White. I'm Jewish. 53% Jewish, white, like ethnicity, and then everything you can think of Caucasian.
Oh, you're
Like-
white.
White,
Yeah.
white, Irish, German, Austrian, fucking
White.
Estonian, Lithuanian, like my shit goes from like fucking European pillagers to like the Vikings.
A lot of history in. definitely. I see Viking in you, definitely.
Yeah, I'm a
Yeah,
Jewish.
he's definitely white as
I'm a
shit.
Jewish Viking, so I would only pillage for a good price.
That's wild. You're
Logan the Nazi think that's real funny. I'm glad you thought that was funny. Logan loves a good Jew joke. Yeah, he's hella racist.
Right. We just got the Germans and then Chad just fucking laughing like, ha 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 ha. Fucking Jews.
Yeah, ja. We had such a good time today.
They walk all over there.
Lava, you like that?
Why's your German accent so good though?
What's a German accent?
German
Very good.
accent? You've never spoken to the German
That's German.
in the
It's
Deutschland?
German.
Yeah.
It's like
It's a real
Dutch or-
nasty language. When you speak it to the German, it's a very unique accent. It's also got a little bit of like it's a rough language. Like when you actually speak to Germans and you hear them start belting, you're like, ugh, you know, like just like ripping a conversation in German. Do I sound like that? Jay Lee, why don't you, Jay Lee, come on up, mama. Speak a little German for Q Banks.
She's German.
She's German.
Just
No.
sounds crazy.
Jay Lee, come speak some German.
I know Russian is
Jesus
very
Christ.
rough language.
Russian is also like kind of gross.
It's like rough on the tongue.
It's aggressive.
So
Yes,
cute.
yeah.
You could throw on the Jamaican.
It's more just like code switching for me. Depends on who I'm talking to.
But like, so if you code switch, like you could throw it on and like I wouldn't understand what the fuck you're saying. Like you're Jamaican.
No, you can understand it. Remember, it's English. It's English. So at the end of the day, like you just listen.
No. I stayed in the mountains of Jamaica for 2 weeks and I had no fucking idea what they were saying.
But it depends on where you are from in Jamaica. Because if you're from the country, they speak completely different compared to a person that lives in Montego Bay or in Portland and that kind of stuff. So it depends on where you're from.
Here we go.
On the island to actually determine.
I want to test Q's. I'm going to test Q's Jamaican gangster here. We're going to bring up our local Jamaican news correspondent. This is our local Rasta. Here's the local Max Options Trading Rasta. Rasta, meet Q Banks. He's probably a hero of yours. Meet Q Banks. It's like I imagine from Jamaica, it's like Usain Bolt, the Jamaican bobsled team, Q Banks, right? Like, yeah, I got to
Jamaican bobsled team.
Yeah, they got the bobsled team. I think Q Banks. Rasta,
right.
Rasta, you're our local Jamaican correspondent professional. I need you to test Q Banks as Jamaican gangster for me real quick.
Yo, man, I have to test the big man gangster now because yo, Q been a OG. Not even a regular gangster. OG. So man, so the man a real general. You understand?
Real general.
Real when Jamaicans say general, are they talking about a military figure or just like a boss?
No. A real bad man.
Person that they rate.
Man. The man like a godfather, my G. You understand?
Like a dandada.
Yeah. The man, listen, it's when the man talk, action follow after. You understand?
Exactly.
The man not do much.
He said, "Do you understand, Max? Tell me."
Yeah, no, I'm tracking. I can understand the conversation. A little words here and there.
Like I was telling him, it's English, but remember, it's broken English. It's a dialect.
Yeah, I'm tracking. Yeah, production. Let's cut some subtitles on this.
Yo, Q. It's what me have to deal with on a regular basis.
Oh wait, so how often are these calls then? Because every day?
Like,
Often or what cause?
Man,
You bring these guys up like every fucking day.
Listen, I can't give Llama like a good ass damn comment because as soon as I said something, he snapped. You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, bro, like, I mean, we all know you fully fish. You feel me? So when he asked that, look you.
What? When you call llama a fully fish every
fully
day.
fish. He doesn't say fish. A fully fish.
A fully fish. A fully fish. Fully fish equals homosexual.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Super. Like I'm llama. Like I'm fucking. Yeah. Got it. Tracking. Okay. Cool. So, Q, you understood all that?
Yeah.
What do you mean by
Bro, Q's uncle, the one we just saw, he talks crazy.
Does
like
he?
every time we talk, I'm like,
so,
what?
Claude is from St. Elizabeth, so it's like Bush, so obviously
different dialects of Jamaican. Is there different dialects or no? It's just like
I think it's more rougher dialects. Like yeah, you can say that.
Yeah.
Right. Someone wants to know what parish Q is from.
What does that even mean?
Manchester, Mandeville.
Bomba clap. We're not a building.
Very slow.
We're not a building.
But I mean, it's nice, that's home stuff.
Yeah.
That's all.
I think it's great.
Man.
I went to Jamaica. I had a great time, but the problem is I went to Jamaica in March 2020. Not the best time to be in Jamaica when they call you and say, "Hey, you're gonna get stuck there if you don't leave in the next 36 hours, because we're locking down the country." And I was like, "I've been here for a hot minute already. I'm getting the fuck up out of here." And they had
Jamaica really didn't get COVID like that.
no, there was no COVID on the island when I was there, bro. There was no COVID in Jamaica when I was there. Zero.
Right.
Like everyone's out and about and chilling. And my buddy got smacked with a fish. Remember, I told you the fish story. My buddy got hit with a fish.
What do you mean fish story?
I remember. You got to tell you the story, bro.
So we're walking. We're in. So we like to. When me and my buddy Ryan is my best friend, we travel. We like to travel kind of like more on the local side. So we do Airbnbs with a view. And so they told us, don't get a fucking Airbnb in the mountains. That's like real Jamaica. And we're like, fuck you. So we got an Airbnb in the mountain, like decently up. Probably not too far. Probably like a half mile, 3/4 of a mile up the mountain. Every fucking they had armed guards at the Airbnb. It had a castle wall around it and armed guards. It was very, very nice. But every time they opened the gate in the morning and they saw us coming out, there was like the same 4 dudes standing there waiting for us. And they would just fucking harass us. Y'all need weed, come smoke this shit. Y'all need this liquor, I got this. And then so we walk down the mountain and then we're on the shoreline walking towards town. And then this guy runs across the fucking street. He's got a open drink, like a big drink in one hand and a fucking fish. And he runs across the street and he just hits my buddy with me got the best fish on the island. You got the best fish. Come eat the fish. I'm like, it's 9 a.m. and I'm fucking not in the mood for your disgusting fish. Like, it's not literally 9 a.m. Like, I want eggs, motherfucker. And he's talking shit about how great his fish is. Me got the best fish. And my buddy Ryan's like, yeah, we don't want your fish, but we're good. He pours his drink on my buddy. This guy's, you could clearly fucked up. He pours his drink on my buddy, and my buddy's like, dude, what the fuck are you doing? And the guy hits him again with we got the best fish on the island. And then he takes the fish and slaps him with it. He slapped him with the fish, and he goes, told you we got the best fish on the island. Then he dropped his phone and it like broke, and then he just like stood there trying to collect his phone and just continued to shout at us while we walked away. Like we were walking away, and he continued to just shout at us while like from his spot, he's fixing his phone. He's like, come back for the fish. But I swear to brother,
I gotta see that something about that on video, bro. That sounds wild.
Bro, I'm surprised it's not on video. Max pulls a lot of crazy stories out and videos, right? Like follow through videos.
My buddy is his beautiful Ryan's wife is giving birth. She just went into labor today. She his Nigerian queen. And they're having a little boy today. Otherwise, I'd call him and tell him, and he would tell you right now, like the motherfucker hit him with a fish.
That's fucking crazy.
It was so good. It was so good. That's why, yeah, Jamaica was a lot of fun, though. I had a lot of fun in Jamaica. I'm glad I didn't get stuck there for COVID. That would have been fucking terrible. But one thing I vaguely remember, I don't know, a lot of people probably weren't around. Back in 2020 in March, I was trading in Robinhood, and that was like the first fucking Robinhood didn't work for 2 days, and I was in some Apple calls, deep like in some Apple calls, and I lost like 32 bands in 2 days because I couldn't close the trades. Do you guys remember that? Were you you were trading 2020 Q? You remember that shit?
Yeah.
All the brokers were fucked.
It was a big thing. Yeah, they closed down the entire site. I think a lot of sites was done. That's when like a lot of Bitcoin was pumping off. So like they shut down like a lot of close buttons.
Yeah, shit was going. Were you around? Like, were you in like the broker game and the prop game back then in 2020?
2020 had nothing. Like we never even had top tier or nothing like that.
You're just trading. Yeah, that was an interesting. Rasta, you got anything to say to Q Banks? I'm gonna kick your ass off the stage.
Nah, thanks.
Bro, listen, man, I'm just letting y'all talk. I ain't trying to interrupt.
We appreciate your courtesy. Let me see that hat you got on, Rasta. What kind of hat is that?
You already know it.
A Rasta hat, bro.
Yes, sir.
Real generous.
Yeah, but he's bald.
Bro. No worry about that, man.
Remember that song?
Yes, sir.
So you can all and everything else. Remember, but it's more of a religion that you actually live by. So you don't
religion.
Have
but I thought I thought the dreads was like the.
No, it's a symbol for just
It's identity. That's it.
Yeah, but you don't have to though.
We should all go to sandals one day.
Sandals? Okay.
Sandals. the resort in Jamaica?
Yeah, like it's like two bands a night for the bungalows.
Bro, but they're
$2,000
sold
a
out.
night?
I was looking at them.
Yeah,
The bungalows are completely sold out
Yeah, we could get a
Yo,
couple of
my
nights
money
at
is
the
not like that,
bungalows.
bro.
for years.
Yeah, we should all go get
Look 'em up right now.
bungalows at fucking Sandals. Bring the
Lovely.
fam.
I can't
Go-
afford that, sir.
You can't what?
I can't afford that. My money is not like that right now.
We could pay you to drive.
Bro, look.
I mean, that's one way in.
I'll fly your whole family out there. I'll fly your whole family out there, Rockstar. I don't give a fuck.
I know you will. Trust me. I know you will. You're a man of your words. I seen it.
If
In
we
live
go to
action.
Sandals one day, all of our families, I will fly your family out.
Llama, you hear that? Push boy, you hear that?
Your ass off my stage. Your dumb ass off my stage.
I like Rosta's a good dude. Rosta's a good
That's just
dude.
too funny, bro.
I'm cool, dude.
He's a good dude,
Yo,
bro.
I'm getting ready to
Found no trades today.
Bro, I'm gonna let you guys know. I gotta go eat some breakfast right now. Day's about to
All right, man. We appreciate you dropping by, bro. You know you can come on here on the Big Daddy Morning Show anytime. You got free real estate here, my friend. We appreciate you, brother.
Of course. All right, everybody. Thanks everybody for having me on. See y'all later. Llama, hit me up later also.
Hello, my boy.
He's the man,
I'm
dude.
looking at the bungalows, bro. I'm pretty sure these bitches is when
He's
I
such a good
checked
dude.
them, they were booked for years. Like 3 years they were booked out.
Booked for 3 years.
If they're free, I'm probably gonna grab this shit. There's no way they are though.
Free?
Not like open.
That's crazy. Yeah. I don't know, but I'd love to go to Sandals in Jamaica. I really would. I don't drink or anything, but I love the all you can eat inclusive. Sometimes I say things and I'm like, why the fuck are you still saying things like that? You fat piece of shit. Guys, don't forget, this wonderful show is sponsored by Funded Future Family. 45% off for another half hour. Only another half hour, 45 off. That is it. That is it, guys.
Sold out, bro. Find available.
Sold out? That long was fucking fire. That long was everything. Hey.
Wait, hold up. It might be open.
Still in the long? Let's go. I definitely think there's going to be a pullback greater than a retracement. I do think that it's going to be due for one. How far? I don't know, but I would want to see like 60-30 give up completely. If 60-30 gives up completely, 60-30 to 60-33 on SPX, I definitely think there's going to be a nice pullback. FFF has 2 plans with no activation fee. They have 1 plan with an activation fee. They have 1 day to pass plans. They have full-time plans with 2 day to pass. They got their classic plans, one of the best in the game. And you get paid weekly now on FFF. They changed it to weekly because they opened 2 payout windows. So now instead of waiting for 1 payout window, you can get 2. So it is weekly. So based on the plan, you can really choose the plan that works good for you. I personally fuck with the classic plan. I'm not about that 1 day to pass shit. Obviously, I'm terrible at fucking YOLOing, but I really, really like the classic plan a lot. I think that's really good. I think that's a good plan. So make sure y'all check out FFF. The sale is only good for another half hour, and then it comes back on during Power Hour special. Then it comes back on during the Power Hour special. So make sure you guys tap in.
They have availability, Max.
Tap. Well, who's got availability?
But them boys is tripping donkey dick.
How much, bro?
I'm gonna show you my screen.
How much, bro? Look, that's beautiful,
This is
bro.
it.
That's
This
beautiful.
is beautiful. The bungalow is beautiful.
All the bungalows. That's it, though. There's like 10 of them.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that when I first looked it up in 2022, it was booked until 2025. 3 years completely booked.
$11,000 for 4 nights?
4 nights, bro.
Hell nah. Hell nah.
Bro, they're tweaking, bro. It was not this expensive. Last time I checked it was 5 bands. Now it's 11, bro.
Bro,
that's with the 60% off. The original price was 35 racks.
Yeah.
4 nights. They're charging 9,000 a night, basically 8,000 a night.
That's actually crazy.
Bro, who do they think they are? Oh, you're giving me a $305 credit and $100 online credit. Oh, thank you. Fuck.
I went to I took my wife to Turks and Caicos for our baby moon, and it was fucking nice. We stayed at the Win something there, and it was gorgeous, bro. The Caribbean. Oh my god.
What the fuck am I looking at right now?
Bro, there's no shot. Those are flights.
This better be for 2 people.
It better be for 4 people.
No, it better like include the fucking hotel too, though. Like,
you know, I think if I do make a lot of money in my life, I would go back to the Caribbean, the Winmara. Yeah, I highly recommend the Winmara. The Winmara at Turks and Caicos is unbelievably nice. Unbelievably.
No, so let me show you. Matter of fact, what I was talking to I was talking to Q about what I wanted to do for my birthday, and he told me to go to St. Lucia.
St.
So I was
Lucia.
looking up. Yeah, okay, but
What's the
look at
name of the
this,
resort?
man.
There's a resort. I think it's on St. Lucia or it's on St.
Jade.
Is it the Jade? The one with the mountain view, bro?
That's
That's crazy.
yes.
Jade
Q
Mountain.
Q stayed there. So he stayed there, and he was like, "Yeah, bro, go to this one." So I'm like, "It's probably not that bad."
Jade Mountain Resort, bro. That's the one I want to go to. That's like a dream vacation.
Bro, got it right here.
Yeah, bro.
But he
Look
tells
at
me
that.
this shit, and I'm like, "Yeah, this vibing." I'm like, "Yeah, we could do this." I pulled out the price. What was this shit? Shit was like 10 bands a night, bro. I'm like, bro, Q, what are we talking about here? Hold on, I'm still poor.
What are we getting into?
I'm like, do you really think that I'm staying out there? You fucking idiot. You fucking pissed me off, bro.
Didn't you just buy like a $60,000 watch?
Yeah, but that's different.
Oh, my bad.
You feel me?
Right. No, I just didn't realize that was different.
Yeah, no, it's different. You know what I mean? Like, if I ever need my bread back, I just sell the watch. I go to fucking Jade for 10 bands a night. The fucking bread's gone.
That's crazy. That's actually crazy.
Here. Bro, no, it's ridiculous. He has it on his page. The view's ridiculous. Like, St. Lucia's beautiful.
Right.
I'm not gonna lie.
SPX is
beautiful.
melting out of this fucking range at the top finally.
Is it?
Yeah.
Bro, this is. I had told y'all previous day I wanted to see this hold, and we hit the fucking zone, and then we can see it go.
Right.
But the range is too small. Like for 15 points, I don't give a fuck, bro.
It's gotta pop a little bit. But I think I like the short here on that break, that retracement down.
I like the short. I've liked the short all day, even though it's been
this might be one of the latest trades I ever take. If it pops right here, hold on. I want to see a little bit more pop up. Fill around 37. Gets like 37, 30 right there. And Q with a break back up. You know what? That's not a terrible looking short. It's not a terrible looking short, Llama.
Days of 2 nights minimum, and it'll show you the price.
I lived in Sardinia. I don't have to go to Sardinia. I lived there. Little flex, no big deal. But I lived in Sardinia.
No big deal.
Wow, nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move, and that was a fucking move. Very nice.
Enjoy our take 5th night free promotion. The take 5 rates for a 5-night stay. So you basically stay 4 nights. The 5th night is free. Minimum 12,000 to 16,000 to 18,000 for 5 nights.
Wow.
So minimum about 3 bands a night.
Pretty sick.
It's pretty expensive, bro. I booked my trip already for my birthday. I'm going to Mexico. It was 3 bands. 3 bands for like, I can't spend 3 bands per night. Like, I can't feel myself do that.
That's a lot. Whoa, look at that ripper. Whoa. That's a prime example of there's nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move right there. God damn, that was fucking nice. That just took everybody who tried to break that range out. I'm done, boy. I'm up my little 5Gs on the Funded Future Family account. We done. All this money y'all making. Hell no, I'm not spending that kind of money on a resort. What's wrong with y'all? That's crazy. Yes, you can learn everything A to Z about futures in the Maxtermind, the Max way. Absolutely can. Yeah, I think it's 45% for life. They didn't say nothing otherwise.
Damn, we just exploded. Yo, so I'll tell you one thing, Maxie. Tell me how my vape died on me.
All right.
And I'm contemplating not buying another one.
You put nicotine in your vape? I didn't know you were addicted to Nick.
I've been addicted to nicotine since I was 14 years old.
Oof. I didn't realize you were I didn't realize you were addicted to that stuff. I smoked nicotine for many years, many years. I smoked Newports a pack a day for 10 years.
Bro, I was 14 years old.
I smoked
buying cigarettes.
Yeah, I smoked ports every day for 10 years. And I quit when I got out of the military in 2018. I just cold turkey quit. My niece started bullying me. My little niece, she was like, "You smoke, you stink, you're disgusting, get away from me. Ew, you're gross." And that's all it took. But then I quit buying cigarettes and I bought one of those fucking gay ass vapes. And then I found out I'm like allergic to the vape shit, bro. When you took a hit of it, my fucking lungs, that like vapor that's supposed to come out, it like turned into a liquid and stuck to my lungs like boogers. I could not breathe. I had to take breathing treatments for like 3 weeks.
You're so easy to unalive. Like if I ever wanted to just unalive you, it would be so easy.
Yeah, but you're a fish.
A fully fish.
You're a fully fish, so fuck you, dude.
Fully fish.
Bro, who took the long this morning? Who took the long this morning and was just like had the best day of their life right now? Who took the long this morning? And
I also came to the conclusion, bro. I have a vacation every day this month, every day this year. I mean, every month this year. Not vacation, but like I have trips planned. Kind of a problem.
You're young. You're young. You should travel and take advantage of as much traveling and trips as you can in your 20s. Because when you get to your 30s, things start rounding off, and your girl's gonna be like, "Why ain't we married? Where's my fucking children at? What about this shit? How come you ain't bought me no house? How come I ain't got no fucking nice faucet in the bathroom? Fucking bullshit."
Fucking bullshit.
Yeah. And she's gonna wake up at fucking. She's gonna wake you up at 1 a.m. and the baby's gonna be fucking yelling, and she's gonna blame you for the baby yelling and say that I'm a piece of shit. Things like things like that. So
I got it.
yeah.
Yeah, no, it was I'll probably call you later.
I think I'm gonna go to the Cats game. I don't know.
Are you serious though? I want to go.
I might go to the Cats game again because I think if they win tonight, they're gonna win in 5 in Edmonton. I've been saying that since the jump. I think I'm gonna Florida Panther tickets. I think I'm just gonna fucking go see them. What do you mean am I good? I'm always good, baby. You guys just don't know what married life is like with a fucking jit. With a fucking 6-month-old. Everything I just said is totally true.
Yeah, this tattoos. I've had this tattoo since July, brother. I've had this tattoo for almost a year. This is my first tattoo. Only
Ooh,
one tattoo.
prices are a little steep.
Oh, two, I lied.
Prices are a little steep. Bro, it's crazy. My family, we had
How much are they? How much are they? How much are they?
The Amaranth Vault tickets, we had season tickets 2 years ago. 2 years ago, we had season tickets, right? Each day was $400. The tickets were $400. That comes with valet parking right in front of the stadium, VIP lounge, VIP passes, VIP entrance, unlimited food and drinks, dessert bar. And I'm not talking about like just food, like stadium food. I'm talking like gourmet buffet type shit. And they were $400 2 years ago. You know how much one of those tickets is right now for the cup? $5,000 for one ticket. Unlimited food.
You think that's worth it though?
Dessert. Hey, I would never pay 5 G's for unlimited dessert and food.
I don't know. 5 bands is hell. You think it's worth? Like, I don't think going to a Panthers game is worth $5K.
Yeah. Yeah, I would never for $5K, bro, and for unlimited food, gourmet buffet, VIP access. No, I would never ever do that.
I mean, bro, you said what? They have food though? Like, do you think that food's probably not even that good? Like,
Yeah.
5 bands though?
Damn, I did make 10 training evals today, but I did. But that's basically real cash.
Right,
I made 10 on my funded future family evals, but that's basically real bread. So I'm up 10 right now.
Yo, you basically, like, if you think about it,
What was that noise?
you heard that, right?
Was
I
that
think
your
they're, like,
chair?
fucking drilling no, they're drilling some shit in another apartment. I've been hearing it every like fucking couple 30 minutes. 10 bands on eval. You basically made enough to buy us both tickets today, even though it's not real. It technically is.
I mean, if you think about it, I made 10 bands on evals. I made 10 bands today.
Right. Like no, because like if we're gonna be honest, you made 10 bands on evals today, which means in like a few days you could probably make 10 bands real bread. So you might as well already spend the 10 bands before you make it on the real money.
Right. Damn. Max, how come I don't trade pro accounts? That's interesting. Why don't I get Frank, I wonder why I don't get to trade pro accounts. Huh, Frank? Very interesting. No, Frank, I wonder why. What is he saying? No, not today. I mean, Pro Plus. How come I don't trade Pro Plus accounts? Frank.
No, he said didn't.
Frank, you might not know this, but today's show's sponsored by Funded Future Family with a 45% off deal, my guy. I just got an account for fucking like $30.
Right.
I traded evals today because of the sale. I have 3 funded FFF accounts. I have 5 Pro Plus TPT accounts. I have 14 deactivated fucking Apex accounts because I YOLO fail every one of them. And now I'm trying to get 2 more FFF funded. I don't like to trade. And I tell this to all my students, and I tell this to everyone who needs to be profitable when they first get funded. You don't have to trade your fundeds every day. Did you see the shit I sent Q Banks? Did you see the thing I sent him? I like to take at least a week off of my fundeds every fucking month.
I feel like I've said that before. There's certain trades that are eval, like you're supposed to. Thank you. You're supposed to trade
Drop the fork. Nah, pick it up. Pick it up. Big
I don't
body.
know where it is.
Pick it up.
I don't know where it is.
Let me see the
there's
meal. Damn, I ain't gonna lie. Them eggs look perfectly fucking cooked. But do they got no seasoning on them?
yeah, there's salt on them, no pepper.
No pepper, no adobo. You ain't got no fucking seasoning on them eggs.
Salt. I don't know. They're acting like I'm the one that fucking cooked them.
I will never eat some unseasoned ass eggs like that.
Just your white ass up. The only seasoning you ever use is unsalted butter.
Oh, I don't use unsalted butter. The fuck?
Yeah, you do.
My eggs, you can't even see the white of my eggs. I got so much seasoning on that bitch. I throw down in them. I throw down in it. Listen, I'm a man of rotation. My eggs, listen, first egg day, Monday, everything but the bagel seasoning and coarse salt over the yolk. Little everything but the bagel eggs with a little coarse salt. Tuesday, straight adobo. Wednesday, garlic, onion, salt, pepper. Thursday, avocado and sriracha mayo. That's how we do it around here. Yeah, calling me unsalted butter is fucking hella disrespectful. Right. I'm not gonna stand here and take that shit. Don't ever fucking talk about my butter like that.
You talking to me?
Yeah, why the fuck would you say I use unsalted butter?
Because you're white.
White people love salt.
Right. That's it.
That's all we use. We fucking love salt. I want it
I used some seasoning the other day called Slap Ya Mama.
I want the fucking eggs to burn my mouth. They're so fucking salted.
Ew, I hate hot food.
You should ever try Baldan's food. Baldan's food will make you gag. It has so much salt on it, but it's delicious. It's delicious, but it literally, he is going to have no taste buds when he's 45, 50. I think when he's 50, his taste buds are going to be so fucked. He's going to be one of those old heads that got a bottle of Tabasco everywhere he goes just to feel. That's got to be real. Oh, I got the Creole seasoning. I got that seasoning in the drawer, I think. Or maybe it's Old Bay. Maybe I got Old Bay.
Old Bay is
I don't eat it though because I've never had seafood. My wife likes that shit.
I'll tell you one thing. You know what these are?
What?
These are Hawaiian bread sliders with salami and cheese and butter inside, which I'm gonna pop the yolk and dip it in the in the yolk. Ready? Should I do the pop live in front of everyone?
Yeah. Slower. Oh, fucking penetrate. Now penetrate. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Take a bite.
Whoa.
Take a bite. What are you doing? Oh,
Yellow.
oh, it's so yellow. Oh, it's so fucking yellow. Oh my God, it's so fucking yellow. Oh, talk to me. Describe it. Here we go. Yeah, I better pull that down. A little hang time. Here we go. Oof. Oh. No, he didn't. He hit one. No shot. He fucking hit the. I get it though. Hey, I get it though. Damn, it was that good. Hey, that's disgusting.
Second half of the Michelangelo outfit.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Michelangelo wasn't purple, dumbass. It's Donatello. You fucking dumbass. If you're gonna say a joke, say it correctly, you fucking jackass.
Give away a free account. Get real. I'm up 10K. Eval money.
Michelangelo's the orange one.
Guys,
Jesus
the FFF,
Christ.
it only is 15 more minutes for the Funded Future Family deal. 15 more minutes until Power Hour. 15 more minutes. Then goes live at 3 p.m. EST for Power Hour. There's only 15 more minutes, chat. Lock in some fucking accounts on the.
Yo, we have to do this interview, bro. I have to leave like in 10 minutes.
Get the random number generator. We got 560 heads up in here. Number 172, Vicadus.
Wanted to register for the course.
Vicadus.
They asked me for a promo code. Yeah, that's if there is a promo code, but there isn't one, bucko.
There's no promo codes for the course. There's no sales for the course. There's no discounts for the course. The only thing that's happening to my fucking course is I'm jumping it up to $19.99. I'm jumping it to fucking $19.99 because of Llama. I got to do something.
Sure, it's a fair price.
Oh, there is. Oh, Monique said there is a promo. We did forget about the. Oh, you wanted the coupons, Monique. You're talking about the coupons for the course? Talking about the coupons. Oh, hold on. I got a coupon right here. Here. I got a coupon right there. Here's another coupon. Here's another coupon. Another coupon right there. Hey, Vicadus, welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Did you come on here to speak fucking Russian to your friend, or?
Hello. Can you see me or not? Because I don't know.
No, we cannot. That took me for a turn. Hold on. That switched up quick.
And now?
No, it says no camera. Oh. Do you have maybe check your settings?
Just a second.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now you can see me. Yes.
Yes. Hi. How are you?
Thank you. Not bad.
Hi. Your name is Vicadis?
Victoria.
Victoria. Okay. Victoria. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Moomin. Hold on one second, Victoria. Victoria, do this. Do this. Shut the fuck up, Moomin, you retard. There's never. Victoria, cover your ears. Shut the fuck up, Moomin. There's never going to be a fucking promo for the goddamn discount for the course. We don't devalue a perfect product, and it's not fair to the other 500 people. Okay, Victoria. Hey, how are you, hon?
Is he banned yet?
No, he's a good guy. He's just a fucking.
A good guy. I'm banning his bitch ass. Yeah, give a fuck if he's a good guy.
All right, how about this? If he doesn't buy the course by Sunday night, he's banned.
If he doesn't buy it by 11:30, he's banned.
All right, bet.
I'm gonna
Victoria,
fucking
where are
spam my
you
chat
from?
like that.
I'm from Ukraine, but now I live in Poland like 3 years.
You moved
due
to
the
Poland.
war.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
very cool. You moved from Ukraine to Poland. You have family in Poland?
My daughter, yes,
that
but
picture
my
look like
parents
that?
still in Ukraine.
Cool. And are you a trader?
I want to be a trader if I say honest, because I cannot say that now I'm a trader. I try like 1 year. I lost a lot of account for sure. I tried to have pro account and take profit, but I lost. And I'm sure
Okay.
that it's like my psychologist, the first,
Right.
the
Right.
main pain. It's my psychologist.
But you were able to get to a funded account. That's already better than most.
Twice, but I lost them, and reset cost too much for me.
What do you think
Yeah.
the number one reason is that you failed those accounts after getting them funded?
I think it's psychology, because psychology, how it's correct word, because you cannot stop yourself when like in time. You
Right.
all time you want to do little more, or when you lost something you say, okay, the next step, and I come back all of you I lost, and then it's like frog and you without account.
Right.
And the same situation every day. Then I cry a lot. The next day I took myself in my arm, and again the next step, buy a new account and try again and again.
And that adds up. That definitely adds up. That definitely adds up in price and everything. So where are you at right now? Are you actively trading anything at all, or?
I try only Nasdaq or NSP 500 and only take profit.
Very good. Very nice. And are you following the Big Daddy Morning Show for a while?
My friend told me, and we tried to look llama at the first time, and then you connect with new Max, and after I found both of you in Instagram and follow you and try to understand how you do it. And all time I saw like llama is very calm person. He wait all of his like point to take in one moment. And Max, short, I go to short. Like all time like opposite side.
When you say Llama is a very calm, like cool, collected person, what do you mean by that?
It's not about who is better. You are different.
No, we obviously know I'm better, but like, what'd you mean when you were like calling him calm and like things like that?
It looks
trying to
like
breathe in it.
llama weight band, like all of his metrics will be in time in one moment, and you are like more weakly opposite side and try to catch
Real quick.
everything.
Real quick.
It's like different strategy you have, I think.
Right. Yeah, very, very different. The Max way, we got the Max way, and then Llama got his way of eating food and trading and just being calm and relaxed. Yeah, he's very relaxed, right? He's very relaxed.
Looks like
I have
relaxed, but I'm sure that
next
you are tired, so
next to me, a lot of people seem very calm and relaxed just because I have really. Let me go ahead and hold on one second, Victoria. I have to go ahead and favorite something. Make sure I got that. Yep, there we go. Okay, now we got that for good. All right. Yeah, no, I totally get it. I 100% understand this. All right, are you trading any accounts live right now? Do you have any live accounts right now?
no, I try to pass phase because I have like 2 pro account, but lost them, and I can use only reset, but I don't have so many money like for reset my account. I have 25,000 accounts.
25Ks. So you train the 25Ks?
Yes, because I want to buy a small account, but Take Profit has only this one, the smallest one.
I know you guys, I know a lot of you caught that short. I said if SPX breaks that 33, you could see the perfect bounce and rejection off of that. And that led to 40 or 50 point drop right there. So congratulations to everyone who caught that. I did log out of my broker, but I was looking for that thing earlier. It just did not come. And there it goes. It's coming now. Very nice. Vic,
All right, look, I think you deserve an account. How's that sound? I don't even want to play the game.
you don't want to play the
I
game
like
with
you.
her? All right, hold on.
All right, let's play the game.
No,
Let's
we
play the
gotta
game.
play the game. Victoria, have you been watching the Big Daddy Morning Show for a while?
Yes, for sure, more than 1 month, I think.
Okay, so are you aware of how the game works?
I'm afraid, but yes.
Okay, so here's how it works. For those of you at home that don't know, we're going to ask Victoria any 3 questions in the world, and she has to get all 3 of them right. And if she gets them all 3 right, she will win a free Funded Future Family account. All right, Llama, are you ready to play the game?
Ready to play the game.
All right, Victoria. Question number 1. Can you see the chat?
Don't ask me about capital of Florida.
No, I'm not going to ask you that. I'm asking, can you see the chat right now?
Chat, just a second.
Yeah, can you see the chat?
Yes.
Okay, what is Llama doing in this GIF?
Is this
What is Mr. Calm, Cool, and Collected doing in that GIF right there?
I don't see any gift.
You don't see the video I'm posting?
Just a second. He dance.
Dancing?
One which I saw he's
Hold
dancing.
on.
Another one he's eating.
He's eating. Okay, what about this one with the purple shorts? What is he doing there?
Dancing, eating and dancing.
Dancing.
Right. You got the first question right.
Ideal life, I think.
You got the first
Dancing
question
and
right.
eating.
Congratulations.
Interesting. Very interesting.
I also
You
like
are
the
correct.
dance.
You are correct. All right, you are correct.
You like to dance too? Nice.
Yes, I
She
dance
said,
salsa.
I think she said he's itching. Did you say he was itching?
It starts, yes, he's eating, then he
Eating.
No, she said
I think she said eating.
it always
She said I
starts,
was eating
it
and then
always
dancing.
starts with an itch, doesn't it?
Someone wrote that it's twerk.
All right, Llama, get her question number 2.
How long have you been trading with us?
What?
How long have you been trading with us?
I think I tried to
Month.
1 year, but without you, like 8 months probably.
With me? You've been trading with me?
No. I only watch your show, and sometimes I try to catch when you enter to the market and try to repeat for you or for Max. Sometimes I catch Emax and you too in the same.
Right. Okay. So I want to ask you a very simple question. Okay. There's 2 areas of interest on the Fibonacci that I use. Could you tell me what they are?
Sorry, but I did not look much when you tried alone to understand your strategy, but I know that it's cool.
Can you see the
I
chat?
think, yes.
What do you think the chat thinks?
But I think are interesting when like a lot or big trader want to buy or want to sell something, and you use position of 0, 20, 236 lines, 0, 70, 786 lines, and it's very important for you zone for interesting to buy or to sell.
Damn, she's good. Yeah, damn, she's good.
She's good.
She's good.
You pay attention. You pay a lot of attention. I like you. It was a good job. You're 2 for 2. One more question, and you win yourself a free 50K account.
One more question.
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, here we go. I'm going to give you a tough one. All right, I don't want to give you an easy one. The Florida Panthers are playing the Edmonton Oilers in Game 4 of the Stanley Cup tonight. Who is going to win?
Again, please.
The
Repeat.
Florida Panthers are playing the fucking Oilers tonight. Who's going to win?
I don't know. Partners.
You're pissing me off, lady. We're trying to give you a fucking easy one here. The Panthers are playing the Oilers. Who's going to win?
Panthers.
Right. Wait. What?
Did you just say Oilers?
Who'd you say?
She said Oilers.
No, she didn't say Oilers.
Did you say Oilers? Did she just say Oilers?
Did you say Panthers or did you say Oilers?
I don't know who is it.
She fucking said Oilers.
I don't think she said Oilers. I don't think she said that.
Max, you are like oils? Okay, oils will win.
No.
No. But I answer another one. The first one.
Bro, there's no shot. There's no shot. This is Moni level. This is Moni level of I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do here. I'm lost for words, Victoria. I'm lost for
I
words.
think she said Panther. You said Panthers, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You see how she Yep. Sure did. Yep.
Right. I think she did.
Hell nah. She said Oilers from the jump.
You sure?
Oh yeah. Victoria, don't lie. You said Oilers first.
No.
Oh.
Because
See?
I think the oils is like NAFTA. I don't know how to tell you what
Yeah,
it is.
it's from
like,
NAFTA.
That's why I didn't
Right.
use this word the first one.
All right.
Only when you started to laugh at me.
No, we're never laughing at you. We're laughing with you. You just really pissed me off though. So I did yell at you. But I'll never laugh at you.
Yes, and the coolest thing that you respect women. I like it because I saw you.
Right. Max is a feminist.
I am not a feminist by any means.
I think he loves his daughter and his wife.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely not a feminist. I'm actually probably, if anything, I'm probably really sexist. Victoria, I want to ask you a question. Is it better for you to trade one big account or do you like the 25K accounts?
Bigger for sure. It's more interesting.
Size matters.
Does size matter on the does
So does size
matter?
matter to you?
For money, yes. Why
For
not?
money. For money.
I don't want money.
Damn,
Because if I
Vicky's a
use
little
reset, it will be the same that I buy 25 account.
Damn, Vicky, you a little gold digger, shawty. You a little gold digger, shawty. Hey, have you ever traded Funded Future Family?
Yes, I want.
They are 45% off right now. Are you going to be disciplined?
Yes.
Do you think if you get funded, you'll
Yes.
size down?
I think yes.
And do you think you can make it all the way to a payout?
I want it. Yes, because 1 year I lost my money a lot and I cannot do it more because I need to help my parents, my country, and I need money now.
Right. You get a payout, you'll help the whole country.
You say you need money now?
I want to earn my money.
You want to earn
Because
it?
it's not so easy to be in the foreign country with new rules and new law.
Did you move from Ukraine to Poland because of the war?
Yes,
You relocated because of the war?
yes.
Okay.
But I need to help my country for sure, and for my parents, it's not easy situation now. But we will
Yeah,
be.
no, that's very. I don't know what that's like. I definitely don't know what that's like. You know, very United States, America. You know, I don't know. I've been to a lot of places in the world. I've been to 48 countries, and I've seen a lot. I've been to Ukraine myself. I've trained with the Ukrainian army in 2015. We trained with 4 different battalions to get them up to the United States level. So I think the reason the Ukrainian army is so badass is because they worked with the fucking greatest military unit in the world in the United States Army in the 173rd. And I think that's pretty badass. So I did get to go to Ukraine, Estonia, Latvia. I did the whole tour of the Russian border back when I was in the military. And it was pretty great. It was pretty great. We made a lot of friends out there. Let me ask you one. Sorry, let me ask you one more question. Why does Poland fucking have their own currency? Isn't that weird? Doesn't that piss you off? Like,
They
why
have
do they?
zloty.
Yeah, why not just use the euro? So when you're driving through that massive fucking country, they don't convert your shit to something that no one else wants.
Probably it's not so bad for these countries. They have their own currency, and it's
Right.
strong, and it's not like depends so like so much for dollar on euro. Probably
Right.
it's not so bad.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Victoria, I need you to do me a favor. One last thing. I need you to open a support ticket so I can throw you 2 50K funded future family accounts. I'm going to throw 2 funded future family accounts your way. 2 of them. We're going to do the 50Ks. I was going to give 2 away to 2 other people, but fuck them. I'm just going to give you both. I'm going to give you both. I'll give you the best chance. But what I want you to do is when you get funded, because I think you can get funded on the first one, get funded and then stop trading that one and then go to the second one. Go to the second account, get that one funded or pop it or whatever, and then come back to the funded, size down, and then fuck you, 1111, you big 4-headed bitch, and then size down, and I think you have a real good chance of getting that payout. They can get paid out weekly with them. So
Thank you so much. Thank
No
you.
problem. Open it.
It's
I'll
a,
make sure you
a
have an
big
FFF
present for
account.
me.
Good.
It's a big present for me. I never have
Good.
such a present.
Good.
No, good. You deserve it.
If you
Take your
deserve
time
it.
with it.
If
Be
you deserve
patient.
it, the Big Daddy Morning Show will serve it, girl. You seem like a great person, so take your time. It's not a race. Do trade well, follow along, keep learning. You got this.
Thank you so much, guys.
We thank you.
And
Open a
I
support
wish
ticket. We'll
you
get you set
and
up.
hope you that you never know situation like in Ukraine. Never you and never your family. I hope never you have this situation in your life. Be happy and be healthy and be safe.
Thank you. We appreciate that, Victoria. We appreciate you.
Thank you. You have a great day, okay? Or a great night, actually. It's kind of late over there, right?
Thank you.
Yeah. Now, if she called Llama gay, I don't think I would have been able to like continue throughout the day. I think I would have probably laughed into a stroke. I think I would have. I think I would have stroked out. Guys, what a great show! What a great day!
It would have
So much
stroked
fun.
out.
We crushed the long, made a bag. I know a bunch of y'all just made another bag. Absolutely killed it. We appreciate you guys. And we just hit a milestone. We just hit our 100th green day and we hit 130,000 in giveaways on a 66-day win streak. All live. All live and all for free for you idiots here. We appreciate the 500 of you that are still left. You guys are great. Thank you so much for everything. And remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We're filming the Big Daddy Morning Show for entertainment purposes only. Make sure to check out everything we have in the free Discord, futures bots, economic news, Gamma, Trump tweets, and more. Make sure you guys check out the free community, free alerts, Shark, Jake, Sean, social media alerts. Turn them social media alerts on. Show some love to the socials. I'm already famous, but there's others in here who could really use some help. And then as always, guys, tune into the YouTube when we're turning these videos out. We're making these fire edits and we're putting these shows out. So if you got any haters out there, put them on to the Big Daddy Morning Show YouTube. Let them see me and Llama in fucking action and let us turn those haters into traders and they'll be in the show in no time. Check out the Mastermind, Pay to Play University, and Futures One. And as always, the only thing we ask from you guys is to tip the damn staff. They do such a great job. Not Logan. We saw what you said, Logan. We saw it. We both saw it. Even Logan, he said it. He had to delete that shit real quick. Yeah. That was really funny though. That was hella funny. That was
really funny.
Yeah, that's my level of funny, baby. Prices on shit are going up around here, guys. Remember that? Prices. Me and Llama had a very big conversation about it. Prices on shit coming the fuck up. It's his fault though. And we appreciate our sponsor at Funded Future Family. Check out Funded Future Family right now, 45% off. They have the best deals, I think they have the best eval plans in the game. I think the Classic and the Premier are the two best eval plans in the industry. So make sure you guys check out Funded Future Family. And for everything else, make sure you tap that code BDM for all promos and then code P2P. Don't forget P2P for TPT. Code P2P for TPT, guys. We appreciate you guys so much. I got to go to the dentist and get more teeth work done. I'm going to fucking be miserable.
Yeah, I literally have to go. Oh yeah, the merch is out, guys. Merch is out. If you want to go buy merch, there's the website. It's open until the 25th and then it will be closed. Buy merch, don't buy merch. We don't make anything off of it, so I don't really care. Everything that we do make is going to the staff, so I would love for you guys to buy it, but I don't want to make it seem like it benefits me because it doesn't.
It does all go
just goes directly to the staff. So if you guys do want to support the MOT server, the brand, give the staff some chicken and actually wear some fire merch. It's not like we're printing on fucking Walmart clothing. This is fucking Nike outfits, Adidas, Carhartt. This is actual quality shit. And go ahead and fucking grab some merch if you want to. Make sure to tap into Power Hour merch giveaway. Fuck. I haven't done that.
Logan and Javi do it.
Logan and Javi?
Have them give away a piece of merch on the show too. You got to go.
You just run around.
Or we'll just double down tomorrow.
87, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I got money CR.
I got fucking unverified.
Mine's verified. Money CR. Money CR.
Make sure they're only US.
Money CR right here. Oh, he just said no way. Yep, that's him. He just won. Money CR. Open it
to UK. No, it's only local.
Llama's gonna throw you some merch.
Only local, $500. Open a support ticket. Let's see where you're from and see how we can get that done. I gotta really figure out how to do that. I didn't run any logistics behind it. Guys, make sure to tap in. Guys, gotta go. Really gotta go. Max, we both gotta go. Well, I really have to go do something important.
was a great show.
It was a great show, guys. Great fucking show. I got 2 break evens today. I'm finishing the day up to. Oh no! I lied. I didn't get a break even. I made $265 today. I forgot I caught 100 ticks. Great fucking day today, guys. I caught the sell. Max caught the buy. Second sell up here was cool, but I was already not in the trading mood, and this completely melted for 80 points. So that was good shit. I'm out of here, guys. Make sure to tap into Power Hour. These boys are completely killing it, and I'm out of here.